gorgeous. Relax yourself and softly discover your breath within your body. Don't dive for it. Don't pursue it. Just softly discover your breath, where she is within your body, and very sensually send that breath to your feet. Now, with your breath in your feet, repeat after me. My energy is kind. My energy is forgiving to myself. My energy is erotic. My energy is innocent. My energy is pure. My energy is goddess-like. My energy is lush. You're going to move this energy up to your calves. Soften, soften, soften your calves into an endless pool of sensuality. And we're going to repeat the same thing in your calves. My energy is pure. My energy is romantic. My energy is hope. My energy is kind. My energy is loving. My energy is understanding to myself and of myself. My energy loves relaxing within myself. My energy feels like caramel and chocolate in this golden pink times. I know that was a long one to repeat. My energy is luscious. So sparkly, divinely luscious. Now move into your thighs. Repeat after me. My energy is pure. My energy is sweet, sweeter than honeysuckles. My energy is loving. My energy loves being with me, and I adore being with my energy. I adore how my energy feels inside of my body. I adore how my energy is wrapped up inside of my body. I adore the softness of my energy, the femininity of my energy within my thighs. My energy feels so soft. My energy is romantic. And my energy is always innocent. My energy always has the right thing. Now we're going to move into for woman your velvet area for men your tower. So in your velvet area, we're just going to soften and soften and soften to all the endless folds within your velvet. My energy is innocent. My energy is pure. My energy is romantic. My energy has a design, has a frequency. This frequency is me. My energy is peaceful. My energy is relaxing. Envision yourself lying in your velvet area. Envision yourself in this pool. It's like you're in this cave and you're inside this pool, but the cave is one of those open ones where it opens up to this deep blue sky. You're laying on your back, floating on your back, kicking your feet in the water. All this is going within your velvet area. The ripples in the water are reflecting off the cave walls. The cave walls are lined with gems and diamonds. My energy is pure. My energy is sexy. My energy is luxurious. My energy is romantic. My energy there is divine. See, your velvet area, that's where your sparkle lies. That's your secret place for you as a woman. And always be there, speak from, rest and hide. Now move into your stomach. My energy is goddess-like. My energy is peaceful. My energy is kind. My energy is luxurious. My energy is endlessly soft. Move into your breast.